everyone! Welcome again to Mhelbeth's Table. Today, I'm really very excited to bring you a new recipe. This is so easy to make. I will make this extra special for you because our family is so special to us. Do you agree? Alright! Today, before we go on to our recipe, I would really like to thank those who always like my videos in Facebook and also those who watch and subscribe in my channel. Thank you so much, and please keep on watching, and also don't forget to click on the bell so you will be notified every time I'm gonna put a video on my channel. And today our new recipe is a mango salad, extra special because you are special. Okay, here are the ingredients. Okay, let's start. We will put 1/4 cup of extra virgin olive oil. And I use rice vinegar. You can use also the fruity red wine vinegar, but I prefer to use this. Okay, so I'll put about 2 tablespoons. And I have here a grated Parmesan cheese that I'll put on my dressing. There you go. And just a little bit of salt. Just a little bit, maybe half teaspoon, because your feta cheese and the other cheese is already been salty, so you don't want your salad to be salty, right? So mix up together, and we will set this aside. Next, I'll have to grab my bowl, and I put my mango, strip mango. I use this kind of mango. It's like hard and about 50% ripe. You can use, if you're in the Philippines, you can use the Indian mango, but here in Canada, this is so in season right now, so you can buy this in any grocery stores. And also, I have here about 2 tablespoons of red sweet bell pepper. Put in. Next, I have here about 3 tablespoons of yellow sweet bell pepper. And I chop up about 2 tablespoons of fresh cilantro. And also about 2 to 3 tablespoons of sun-dried tomato. You can use the one in a jar with olive oil in it. You can use the olive oil in there, or you can use any sun-dried tomato with seasoned oil. Put this in. And lastly, I have here about 100 grams of feta cheese. I just have to press this with my fork just to be crumbled like this. Okay, so that's all. Then I'll put this in together with my mixed ingredients. Now, we have to mix this with our dressing. Anyway, those who are busy mom, you can also use the sun-dried tomato dressing, but I prefer to make my own because it is healthier. Mix this up together, and you can, oops, sorry. Drizzle a little bit of pepper. There you go. Wow, this is so good. This is my favorite mango salad at all times. If you want to impress your guests, you make this salad. Napakasarap na partner sa lahat ng prito. Like pritong isda, pritong karne, any prito at all. Oh, eto na po, our mango extra special salad. Thank you so much to all my subscribers and also to those who are not done subscribing in my channel. Please click on the button and also the notification button so you will be notified every time I post a video on my channel. Thank you so much for all the love and support, you guys. Even though my channel is still starting and I can feel the love and support you guys giving me, and I really appreciate all those. Thank you so much, and hanggang sa muli, please comment below if you want me to cook something that you want. If I can, I'll do my best to cook it and post the video on my channel. Thank you so much, and till next time.